A Newtonian would argue that the tree can fall independent of observation. But someone from the Copenhagen school would say that the tree can exist in all position states. In all possible states, sorry. The tree can exist in all possible states: fallen, upright, sapling, mature, burnt, rotten, etc., until it is observed, at which point it suddenly springs into existence. Yeah. Thus, the quantum theory adds a totally unexpected interpretation. Observing the tree determines the state of the tree, that is, whether it fell or not. Einstein, from his days at the patent office, always had an uncanny knack for isolating the essence of any problem. The essence of any problem. He would therefore ask visitors to his home the following question: does the moon exist because a mouse looks at it? There's a full moon tomorrow. Maybe a mouse will look at it. If the Copenhagen school is correct, then yes, in some sense, the moon springs into existence when a mouse observes it, and the moon's wave function collapses. Yeah. Let me read your comments. You're a clone of mine. OTS fine. What happens in the darkness shall show itself in the light of day. Yay, full moon. Yeah. It's making me thoughtful about something, but yeah, we'll keep going. We'll keep going. We will keep on going. Over the decades, a number of solutions have been offered to the cat problem. None of them totally satisfactory. Although almost no one challenges the validity of quantum mechanics itself, these questions still remain as some of the greatest philosophical challenges in all of physics. So these types of questions about does the moon exist because the mouse looks at it, does the thing about the cat, or the tree, is it there? If no one observes it, is it not there? All of this stuff are sort of like philosophical questions. I would say that basically quantum mechanics was written, yay full moon, yeah, was formalized to describe the physics of the small scale stuff: electrons, protons, atoms, subatomic stuff. And it is true that if you shine a photon on an electron, you're going to change its state. You're going to give it some energy that it didn't have, and now you don't know its momentum. Or if you knew its momentum, you don't know its position. It's true. Those things are true. It's not like this has to make sense also in terms of like a classical question, like a tree or the moon or us or a cat. Cats are classical, right, Baji? How old is Baji? Baji, what's your age? Baji will think about it and tell you. Baji will think about it and tell you. So, I think people loved to poke holes at quantum mechanics, and they were uncomfortable. They were uncomfortable with this whole, oh, Baji.